How to fix Instagram photo uploading problem. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel and let's get started. First thing first, if you are having that problem, make sure your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store, then simply type in Instagram. If you see any update sign here, tap onto update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you locate this apps button. Tap onto apps. Then here, search for Instagram. Tap onto Instagram. Scroll below, then tap on storage. Here, clear the cache. Now come back onto app info page again. Then you will see permissions. Tap onto permissions and make sure that you have allowed permissions for photos and videos. Tap onto it and make sure this is on to allow or allow limited access. Once done, come back. Tap on set as default and make sure this is untoggled. Once you do so, restart your device, get logged into your account, and this shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today guys, and thank you for watching.